What questions should I ask before approving a big job? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, first of all, if you're going to do a big job, then you definitely need to know what the warranties are. Make sure it's a good, healthy warranty on parts and labor. It's not a bad idea to find out what the qualifications of the guy or gal who's working on the car has. What's their experience level, that sort of thing. Make sure that the person or facility doing the repairs has a great reputation. So assuming all that's in order, then what I really try to encourage people to understand is you're not really investing in a car, because you'll never get the investment back unless it's something like some sort of classic or something. So what you're actually buying is time. So consider it like rental. So first of all, on the price, I want to know, how long is this car going to last me if I put this money into it? So the biggest question to ask is, what's the condition of the rest of the car? So let's say you have an air conditioning problem and it's going to be a $1,500 job, but you don't know, is the engine healthy? Is the transmission healthy? Is the power steering healthy? How are the tires? How are the brakes? All that other stuff. So you may have other expenses you're going to be looking at if you don't get a good, thorough evaluation of the entire car. So if the rest of the car looks like it's not going to give you any trouble, we can't predict the future, but if it all looks good, then you know that this is really what I have to do to make this car reliable for a period of time. So there's a lot of factors there. I encourage you to always take your time. If someone calls you and asks for an approval, get all the information from them. Talk to people that you really trust that can give you good counsel, and do a little bit of your own research as well. Then be a really good educated consumer and make the best decision on your car. So I hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.